Alright everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of a behind the scenes look at what we have going on here at Shoreline Crafts. Today we're going to be unboxing a new 3D printer that we got for the channel. We have some projects upcoming that require the use of a 3D printer. So we got an Ender 3 Pro made by a Chinese company called Creality. And this is what many would consider a beginner or entry-level 3D printer, but it's very highly reviewed, well received in the community. It has a lot of community support. Everyone seems to like it and enjoy it. So we're going to try it out, see if it suits our needs and fulfills our purpose for some projects that we have coming up on the channel. So let's get this box open. We have some nice black high quality laser cut foam. We'll look at the documentation included on the top here. Looks like a warranty card, registration card, and some QR codes to scan to access support and get a hold of the company. And here's the instructions, which nobody needs, so I'm just going to toss those bad boys. Now let's get to the meat and potatoes of this unboxing, which is the unit itself. So here's the base of the 3D printer with the print bed is that big square right in the middle. Here's the little extruder and motor for that. That's attached to it by a cable. In here we have the display unit for the 3D printer with the little rotary dial click knob. You can make your selections in all the menus. And here is the Z-axis motor and lifter, so that controls the elevation, and it has little wheels that slides along a support rail. Now we're looking at the power supply unit that supplies electricity to everything that needs it to run all the motors and control board and display and everything. Continuing on to the lower level of this box, we have lots of little pieces here, Bowden tubes, screws, little attachments, zip ties, wrenches, Allen keys, and that's the Z-axis riser support for the opposite side. There's a little scraper. I'm going to get a lot of use out of this guy. Now continuing on, this is the spool holder. This is a two-piece design. These are the support legs with the little Z screw rod that controls the elevation. The power cable. This is the little motor that controls that Z rod that rotates and lifts the little extruder. Nothing in that little secret compartment. So that seems to be the entire contents of the box. Again, this is the Ender 3 Pro made by Creality. So we're looking forward to it. Coming up on the channel, we have some projects which we will share with you on the channel. So now let's go ahead and lay everything out that we just unboxed so you can get a good a view of everything that comes in the box. So this is the base with build plate and the little extruder with motor connected to it, support legs, that's the Z-axis lifter, display panel and spool holder arm, power cable, power supply unit. There's the Z lifter support and motor for that. Then we have our bits and bobs, all of our little pieces in those bags, and then the scraper and the actual spool holder little rod. And our friends, the instructions, get to come back because I don't want to build this thing blind. Thanks for watching, everyone. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And after an impressively short build time, we present to you the Creality Ender 3 Pro.